Today we're going to be installing a TST Industries tail tidy. Now this is the upgraded version. You have two versions you can get. You have the version where it's not adjustable, so this does not adjust, and it's kind of stuck to where it's at. And it looks like it might be just made out of a lighter steel or a lighter aluminum. This version here, which is the adjustable one, has the TST stamped in it, and it's made out of aluminum. And also we have the tail insert. So TST Industries did send this to me at no charge, so I'm going to do a review on it. But I'm a big fan of TST Industries. I've always purchased stuff from them for most of my motorcycles. This bike that I have now, it came with the tail tidy already installed. That was an Amazon special, which is kind of ugly and heavy. And it's, well, you guys will see it when we get it off. It came with two stickers, a key ring, TST Industry, and some screws and bolts. And they've already assembled this for me, which they have a really nice video on YouTube on how to do that. And all in all, it looks like it's very nice material, which they have always had high standards. Let's get over to the bike and get it installed. Take off your back seat. Now, this is not going to be a install like a new bike. If you'd like to see how to do it when you have your whole big giant fender on there, TST Industries has a very good video on that. Go watch that. This is basically going to be me replacing this ugly thing here that's bent up. This particular model is going to have 4 bolts and 4 nuts. It's going to have a 5mm bolt with a 10mm nut. Came with this plate here, which is aluminum, and this heavy duty steel adapter plate also. So that's it's pretty heavy. And it didn't look all that nice sitting in there, so let's clean this up. Let's get the new one in. Now we're going to use the long screws, Phillips screws with the big washers, and they are going to go into these back holes. The smaller screws, smaller washers, along with these spacers. Now I don't have a license plate light, so keep in mind, if you are comfortable without one, that's your choice. I don't do much riding at night, so I'm comfortable. So this version is adjustable, so we can push it up like that. We can have it adjusted up high. We'll just have it in a little bit. And all we do is tighten up these bolts here, these 2 little Allens, and it'll stay right there. So I think that's where I like it. Feels good right there. And the new taillight.